Hamburger. Hot dog. French fries. Fried chicken. Mac and cheese. Pancakes. Cereal. Waffles. Bagel. Apple pie. Donut. Buffalo wings. Cupcake. Soda. Philly cheesesteak. Brownie. Corn dog. Mashed potatoes. Chocolate chip cookie. Pumpkin pie. Milkshake. S'mores. Coleslaw. Barbecue ribs. Corn on the cob. Chocolate chip cookies were invented in America. True or false? True. Chocolate chip cookies are an American classic. Hamburgers are from America. True or false? False. Hamburgers are from Germany. Which American food would you like to try first?